How to fix the MetaTrader 5 account login authorization failed issue. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're getting this issue, you have some of the fixes that you can try on. To get started with, make sure to check your credentials. Ensure that your login details are correct. This could include the capitalization and special characters involvement as well. Once you have rechecked, make sure to log in again and it should fix. Next option is to verify your server connection. Confirm that you have a stable internet connection, and in addition, make sure that the correct server for your broker is chosen. Likewise, you can also see the server status of MetaTrader to see if it is a server issue or not. Third would be updating your MetaTrader 5 application to the latest version. In order to update your application, you can simply visit the App Store or Play Store and tap on MetaTrader 5. It is available as an update button. Tap on it and you should be good to go. The fourth option would be clearing cache and data. For this, you just have to long press your Meta 5 Trader app and then go to the storage and cache and clear the cache. Likewise, if you want to clear the storage, it might delete some of the information and you might have to log in again. So these are some of the fixes that you can try on. That is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.